Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw mutual fund money at Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw mutual fund money at Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Enter your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located at the top of the page. Select the account where your mutual funds are held. Scroll down to find your mutual fund holdings. Choose the mutual fund from which you wish to withdraw money. Click on the Trade button associated with that mutual fund. From the drop-down menu, select Sell. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details to ensure accuracy. Select your preferred method of receiving the funds. Options typically include transferring to your bank account or sending a check. If you choose electronic transfer, make sure your bank account information is up to date. Once everything looks correct, confirm your transaction. You may receive a confirmation email once your withdrawal request is processed. It's important to review your account activity to ensure the transaction reflects correctly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Fidelity's customer support for assistance. Always wait for the funds to settle before planning further investments. Keep track of any fees associated with the withdrawal process. Stay informed about any tax implications linked to your withdrawal. Now you're ready to withdraw your mutual fund money at Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.